Hi, Eric Doc Wright here, military veteran, serial founder, and business philosopher, author, and linguist. You know, what we find while working with thousands of corporate America companies is that the hiring conversation around project managers is changing today. Post or pre-Agile, the conversation was interviewer. Hey, are you a project manager? Responded, why, yes, I am. Interviewer, great. Do you have your PMP? Responded, why, yes, I do. Interviewer, cool. When can you start, project manager? Project manager and PMP were almost synonymous. However, the introduction of Agile, early 2000s, and its rapid diffusion through all kinds of other industries, verticals, sectors, etc., that are not software development. So we believe, and we've had reinforced, that the conversation is evolving. Are you a project manager is no longer a sufficient question nor answer. So let me show you why we built our SkillBridge program the way we built it, and why we train folks outside of the SkillBridge program the way we do. In our minds, a project management professional is one capable of planning and delivering projects successfully, regardless of how they, the team, the stakeholders, and the organization decide it should be planned and delivered. If the organization knows how to do predictive project management, we can scope a lot of it up front. We can then resource that scope. So we can scope, we can plan, then we can execute the plan, then we can close the project. That is predictive. That is synonymous with PMP, or has been for a long time. PMP is Project Management Professional, a credential from PMI. If, however, they want it fast with customer input, embracing change, so that the customer sees lots of different things along the way so that they can get customer feedback. That means we're gonna plan a little bit up front. We're gonna then do a little bit of it. We're gonna then show it to the customers. This is called an increment. We use that feedback in our next session's plan that we execute, that we show our customers, that we lather, rinse, and repeat until we're done. This is incremental. It's adaptive because it embraces customer wants, needs, desires for change. This is technically nowadays called Agile. If the organization isn't fully Agile, they can't fully speak the language fluently, they're not deeply versed in all of the tools, techniques, processes, etc., we can do it hybridly, which is some combination of predictive plus Agile. So maybe we scope it with a WBS, right? That we then swarm or work one deliverable right after another, working only this deliverable this period, only this deliverable this period, only this deliverable this period. And we're showing it to the customer as we go to get feedback so that the customer gets to give us input throughout the process. So these are the three archetypes, if you will, of project planning and delivery. That's why we teach and train the PMP and the professional Scrum Master. Agile credential plus a predictive credential plus a portfolio of experience planning and delivering projects, however the organization, the stakeholders, the team is capable of planning and delivering projects. Check out vets2pm.com/PMP today to get started on learning to get fluent in these different dialects of project management and prove it with your associated project management credentials. Cheers.